Okay, we are here on the Humptulips River, the east side. The water flow is really low, like 241, but we still came across this little log jam area, and we're a little crazy. Aaron's gonna go for it. Go for it! Go! We don't have a spray skirt, as you can see, so he's gonna get very wet, but we do have vests and helmets. Put your hands up once you go. Up, up, up. Woohoo! Woohoo! That was Aaron's first waterfall. No spray skirt, and a necky, skegs, not a true river boat, no whitewater boat, just damn cool. But he'll get a boat. Signing off.